Okay, good morning, children. Can you all hear me, children? Yes or no? Okay, fine. All ready? We should complete the chapter because your exams are going to come. Your term 1 exams, how they are going to be taken, we don't know. But Chirayu, what was the last line?
Ma'am.
I cannot hear you. Rimjim, are you there?
Ma'am, I will.
Yes, ma'am. This did not satisfy the Congress leaders, Jawahar. Ma'am, the last line was this could not satisfy the Congress leaders, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose were assertive.
Chirayu, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the last line. Rimjim, tell me the last line.
This did not satisfy the Congress leaders,
I cannot hear
Jawaharlal
you.
Nehru.
Yes, Rimjim. Dev, Vijay, Ekagar Bhatnagar, Chirayu Jain, please put on your video. All of you. Kanishka, Anubhuti, what was the last line? Vedansh, tell me.
Ma'am,
Vedansh, speak.
ma'am, the last line was, this did not satisfy the Congress leaders. Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose were asserted.
Anubhuti, you all can hear me? Then please tell me the last line where we had ended. Okay. Thank you, Chitranshi. Okay. Write it down, children, now. I'm repeating the last line. Younger leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose. Was this the last line, everybody? Thumbs up. Good. Okay. Younger leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose stressed for more radical mass agitation and for full independence. Full stop. Under the internal turmoil and dissension, two factors under this also you have done. Under the yes, done. Okay. Under the internal turmoil and dissensions, two factors shape Indian politics. First, worldwide economic depression. A point. This also have you done?
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
done.
Then I think you have to start from Chitranshi. Just let me know the last word which you have done. Last word. Chitranshi. Okay. After the fifth point. Okay, fine. Next, this is the sixth point. I'm repeating the fifth point once again. When the Simon Commission arrived in India in 1928, it was greeted with slogan, "Go back, Simon." All parties participated in the demonstration to win the support of Congress. Viceroy Lord Irwin announced in October 1929 Dominion status for India in future and a roundtable conference to discuss the matter. This did not satisfy the Congress leaders. Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose were assertive, right? Okay. Next point. In December 1929, in December 1929, under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru, the Congress formalized the demand of Poon Swaraj. The demand of Poon Swaraj, Poon Swaraj within single quotation marks, or full independence for India, or full independence for India, full stop. It was declared that 26th January 1930, comma, underline this word, 26 January 1930, would be celebrated as Independence Day. Full stop. Or write a comma over there. But it attracted very less less attention. Very less attention, full stop. So Mahatma Gandhi had to find from an abstract idea of freedom to a more concrete one. Full stop. Those who have come just now, please leave at least 6 lines and then you start writing. After leaving 6 lines, you write this heading now, what I'm saying. The Salt March and the Civil Disobedience Movement. The Salt March and the Civil Disobedience Movement. Vishwas and all, those who have come just now, leave 6 lines and then you start writing this heading, the Salt March and the Civil Disobedience Movement. First point, Gandhiji considered salt. Gandhiji considered salt as a powerful symbol, to unite the nation. To unite the nation, full stop. On 31st January 1930, Sarthak and all, leave 6 lines and then you write the heading, the Salt March and the Civil Disobedience Movement. Write the first point, Gandhiji considered salt as a powerful symbol to unite the nation on 31st January 1930, comma, he put forth, F-O-R-T-H, he put forth an ultimatum letter to Viceroy Irwin, I-R-W-I-N, Irwin, with 11 demands. With 11 demands, put a dash, some general, put a dash over there, some general, while some others, make it others, while some others, specific, full stop. The idea was to bring together a united campaign, full stop. Next point, the most stirring, S-T-I-R-R-I-N-G, the most stirring demand was to abolish the salt tax. The most stirring demand was to abolish the salt tax. Full stop. Salt was something consumed by the rich and the poor. Consumed by the rich and the poor alike. And one of the most essential demands, one of the most essential items of food. Most essential item of food. Full stop. Next line. The tax on salt. The tax on salt and the government monopoly over its production. Government monopoly over its production, put a dash, revealed, after dash, revealed the most oppressive face, F-A-S-C-E, of the British rule as per Gandhiji. As per Gandhiji, full stop. Next point, Gandhiji stated, Isha Patira, your video is not on. Next point, Gandhiji stated that if demands were not fulfilled, if demands were not fulfilled by 11th March. Shreyas Tripathi, video is not on. Soham Kapoor, Gurneet Singh, Anjani Jhamar, Anshul Jain, video is not on. If demands were not fulfilled by 11th March, they would launch a civil disobedience campaign. Anshul Jain, Anjani Jhamar, should I put you in the waiting room? Shreyas Tripathi, second time I'm telling you. They would launch a civil disobedience movement campaign. Full stop. Next point. Irwin was unwilling to negotiate. Akshat Balaria, Mehul Chaudhary, please put your proper video. Otherwise, please sit in the waiting room. Akshat Balaria, this is the second time I'm repeating. Irwin was unwilling to negotiate, full stop. So Mahatma Gandhi, along with, sit in the waiting room. So Mahatma Gandhi, along with 78 of his trusted volunteers, 78 of his trusted volunteers took the march of 240 miles from Sabarmati to the coastal town of Gujarat, put a dash, Dandi. Coastal town of Gujarat, put a dash, Dandi. Shreyas Tripathi, Dandi. Full stop. No, not full stop, make it comma. Coastal town of Gujarat, put a dash, Dandi, comma, walked for 24 days. Walked for 24 days, about 10 kilometers a day. 10 kilometers a day. Full stop. Next point. On 6th April, he reached Dandi. He reached Dandi, comma, violated the law. Violated the law by manufacturing salt after boiling sea water. Next point, this initiated Underline the word initiated. Many a times it come in the exams. What initiated? Civil disobedience movement. This initiated the civil disobedience movement. Full stop. Now in the next line, just write difference. It is a part of this only. Difference. Difference. Okay. People not only refused cooperation. Difference means, what is the difference between CDM and NCM? Here we are talking about that. People not only refused cooperation with the British, but they also broke laws. Thousands manufactured salt. Comma, demonstrated in front of government buildings, demonstrated in front of government factories or buildings, comma, foreign cloth was boycotted. Comma, liquor shops were picketed. Comma, peasants refused to pay. Revenue, comma, chowkidari taxes, comma, village officials resigned. Comma, forest people violated forest laws and entered into reserved forest to collect wood and graze cattle. Full stop. Next point, colonial government. Kanishka, your video is not on. Colonial government is the next point. Began arresting the Congress leaders. Full stop. When Abdul Ghaffar Khan was arrested in April 1930. Comma, angry crowds demonstrated on the streets of Peshawar. on the streets of Peshawar. I think till here we are going to do, children. Okay, tomorrow again we are going to continue from here only. Please try to start your learning process. Okay.